Welcome to our annual service report for 2023-24. Supporting our people to deliver the best possible services in Lancashire is a priority in our plans every year. Our STRIVE values and the core code of ethics guide the professional behaviours expected of all of our staff to ensure our workplace is one where everyone feels valued, included and able to reach their full potential. Health and wellbeing and training and development were the focus of attention in 23-24, with our staff involved in shaping new, improved initiatives. One such initiative was our Lift and Climb mentoring programme, which pairs individuals across the service in different roles and locations so they can benefit from the guidance and experience of colleagues. Everyone in the service has the opportunity to maximise their potential by pairing with a colleague for professional, personal development, parallel or reverse mentoring. The programme was brought from an idea to reality by a member of staff and is supporting people in operational and service support roles.
Digital Communications Officer Alex Daniels was mentored by Ewan Withersby, Business Systems Manager, and Sophie Ryder, Senior Software Developer.
It was a mixture of personal and professional interest for me. We had an in-depth conversation about the nature of digital assets for the service, how they work and why they're important. I found it very interesting and useful to speak openly about the challenges and what we find interesting in our roles. Lift and Climb helped me to develop relationships with my digital transformation colleagues and gave me a better understanding of our organisation. It was helpful from a professional standpoint to take a step back and look at my career trajectory as a whole.
Ewan also felt that he benefited from the experience too.
I've been able to pick up from Alex a better understanding of the things that corporate communications do and a different perspective on the things we do in digital transformation. It's always a two-way street when mentoring someone. The learning you get helps you to reassess your own practice and understand how we can work better together.
We constantly endeavour to prevent fires and other emergencies from happening. Prevention is always preferable to response and is by far the most effective way to make Lancashire safer. The Home Fire Safety Check Service is our long-established main method of prevention, designed to provide tailored interventions to people in their homes that reduce the risk of fires. Last year we delivered well over the target number of interventions and saw a reduction in the number of fires in the home and fewer casualties. Adapting to changing risks in communities and finding new ways to make Lancashire safer is a continuous endeavour, and one which we are motivated and driven to succeed in doing. In response to the increasing threat of wildfires, last year we joined together with partners to introduce one of the largest public space protection orders in England to prevent wildfires on the moors.
The Public Space Protection Order, or PSPO, covers parts of Darwin, Chorley and Bolton and bans any activities on moorland that carries a significant risk of causing wildfires. This includes lighting barbecues, building or lighting campfires or camping stoves, lighting fireworks or setting off night sky paper lanterns. Breaching the PSPR is a criminal offence and could result in a fine of up to £1,000. Most wildfires in Lancashire are unfortunately caused by human action, including inappropriate use of disposable barbecues and campfires. They cause devastation to our wildlife and our environment, which can take decades or even longer to recover. Areas covered by the PSPR include Winter Hill, Darwin Moor and Anglesart Moor, all areas that have previously experienced wildfires. The direct impact of wildfire upon local communities can be massive and can tie up critical emergency service resources, which is why we will continue to work with our partners to protect Lancashire's great outdoors so everyone can enjoy it safely. This work forms part of our climate change operational response plan to address the increasing threat of flooding and wildfires, lessen the impact on communities and public services, and improve firefighter safety when dealing with these emergencies.
Our fire protection services aim to reduce the number of fires that occur in commercial premises and the impact on life, property and business disruption when fires do occur. We support businesses, employers and landlords to meet their legal duties to keep people safe in their buildings with a county-wide inspection programme. Our Business Fire Safety Check service is a newer initiative with the inspection programme. Since its introduction in 2022, the service has become one of the key ways we reduce the risk of fires in businesses. It provides interventions to lower risk premises like shops, schools and offices delivered by operational crews. Last year we exceeded our target in this area too, with crews delivering over 3,300 business fire safety checks in commercial premises across Lancashire, well above the target of 2,500. This leaves specialist business safety advisors and inspectors to focus on more complex, high-risk premises.
The Business Fire Safety Check service is helping to reduce the number of fires that occur in commercial premises and the impact on life, property and business disruption when fires do occur. It is also helping to build better understanding of buildings and how they should behave in a fire amongst our workforce, strengthened by training on modern methods of construction delivered to all our operational staff by our Built Environment Risk Management officers.
Alongside our community-focused prevention and protection services, we continue to strengthen our emergency response capabilities through innovation and investment. We became the first fire service in the UK to introduce an underwater drone with sonar scanner for search and rescue operations. This not only improves how we respond to water-related incidents, but also increases firefighter safety. Dynamic cover software is changing the way we deploy resources across the county, providing visual data on community risks and emergency cover in real time. It enables us to position fire engines with more precision, improving emergency cover and reducing response times. During the year, 13 new fire engines were introduced into our fleet, representing over £3 million of investment. Each is fitted with new battery-operated cutting equipment for road traffic collisions, giving us advanced speed and control during rescue operations than previous hydraulic equipment. And our brand new incident command units were the result of extensive research and development to ensure the best possible technology and systems for effective incident management.
Incident command units are critical to how the service manages complex and large-scale emergencies. We have invested £800,000 in 2 large incident command units and 1 smaller command support unit, which joined our fleet in 2023 to 2024. Based at Fulwood and Blackburn fire stations, the incident command units respond to significant incidents to support the emergency response. Software on board connects the units to firefighters on the incident ground and the command support room at service headquarters. The units each have 8 network computers, and greater resilience is provided by a satellite internet connection with backup 4G, 5G connection if needed. The new software gives operators much more visibility of data such as risk assessments and tactical plans. This data, along with information such as cordon controls and live weather conditions, can be viewed on multiple devices, sharing one operating picture to all. A high-definition camera is on board, complemented by an inbuilt thermal imaging camera, which helps maintain situational awareness. There is also an external screen under a canopy and awning to assist operational briefings without the need to board the unit. The smaller command support unit is located at Bolton-le-Sands Fire Station and crewed by on-call firefighters. It supports smaller protracted incidents with the same incident command software, plus other technological and practical features such as networked computers, demountable mobile data terminal, trauma packs and lighting.
We aim to use our resources efficiently to provide the best possible fire and rescue service for the people of Lancashire and to ensure the service is affordable now and in the future. Continuous learning and innovation with a particular focus on digital transformation drives efficiencies, and wherever possible we'll reinvest savings into frontline activity.
Last year, we focused on becoming more efficient in how and where we deliver training to staff in multiple roles, duty systems and locations across the service, particularly on-call crews. Following staff feedback, a variety of changes to key training has provided more agile arrangements that better meet the needs of people with different requirements. The use of technology was successful, embedding enabling us to deliver pan-service interactive training using virtual classrooms. Incident command workshops were delivered locally to on-call crews instead of at training centre in Chorley, reducing the time and travel involved for individuals. The model for incident command training was changed so that individuals are not required to complete all elements of the learning prior to attending training course, with more time given to complete the full programme. This change is proving popular with on-call crews and has increased interest in acquiring the command skill. The length of time involved in obtaining breathing apparatus and team leader skills was reduced for on-call firefighters, where the ability to progress more quickly has been demonstrated. A pilot to deliver an initial recruit course at a local station was scoped. Our new learning management system offers better support in terms of e-learning, maintenance of skills and course management for all staff. We continue to explore new ways of working, which has been considered in a review of training provision and forms part of a master plan to create a central hub combining training and service headquarters at the Chorley site.
I'm proud of the dedication and expertise demonstrated by our firefighting teams in responding to over 17,000 incidents this year. The complexity and scale of these events have not only tested but also showcased the exceptional skills and commitment of our staff. At the heart of all that we achieve are people dedicated to making sure that communities are safe. 94% of respondents in our staff survey said they felt that their work contributes to making Lancashire safer, testament to the collective approach we uphold. Together, we will continue to learn, improve and innovate so that we provide the best possible public services now and in the future.